guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in John chapter 10 and in verse 10 where it says, "The thief's purpose is to steal and kill and destroy. My purpose is to give them a rich and satisfying life." So my journal entry this week is kind of inspired by a song that I heard on the radio, and it was on a Christian station called Air One, and the song was called "The Beautiful Things We Miss" by Matthew West. I will put a link for a video for that so you can go over and listen to that song. I just think it's a beautiful song, and it just talks about how we have so much going on in our lives that sometimes we miss what's right in front of us. We miss the beautiful things. And I was kind of reminded of this this summer, at the beginning of this summer. My daughter came home. She came home from college, could only come home for a month because she's going to a missions trip in Chicago as well as an internship there. So, you know, it's kind of, I love having her home and wish, you know, the summer went by way too fast. She was only home for that month. And so, you know, after dropping her off in Chicago, you realize, you know, how much you miss having, not having her home when she's at school all year long, and she's in a different state than us for school. And you take for granted the time that she's home. So in Matthew West's song, he talks about the different things that we miss as we go along in our life, and that's just something I really want to focus on in my life, is just not being too busy and really concentrating on the stuff I normally do in my life with my husband and with my family and my friends, and just making sure it is a full life and that I am giving my everything to all the different parts of my life, and trying not to make myself so busy that I miss the beautiful things that are right there that God gives us. So what I want to do in this passage, I'm going to be journaling on this side because this has a different verse here, but I want to use my watercolors, and something that reminds me a lot to slow down and not miss things is a turtle. So I thought I would just draw a cute little turtle in here. I have my watercolors, so I'm going to draw it in with a pencil and then color it in with the watercolors. And then I have a new brush pen that I picked up at Michael's. That's a Tombow brush pen. I'm going to try my hand at doing some lettering, so we'll see how this goes. So I have my watercolor pencil here and a pencil and my watercolors. And let's get stuff cleared off here and get started. Alright guys, so here's my final journal entry. I think it turned out really super cute. I'm still working on my lettering. I just picked up the pen, so I have to do a lot of practicing, but I think it turned out fine. I really love how the turtle turned out though. He's just so super cute. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.